three previous steps. Okay, we saw the samples, we did the learning, we did the modification, we did the reasoning. Now what? Okay, I have a system or a theory that you like, if you like, that given age, weight, and smoking can produce CHT. And here's how I can use it. Let's say that I'm looking at the possibility to treat this patient with a drug based on the knowledge that the system has. So I have two choices. I can let the patient to be untreated, okay, in which case this particular patient now is 70% probability of CHT. Or I can treat the patient, okay, and so I can remove, okay, one of the factors. Like, for example, let's say if I reduce my weight from 85 kilograms to 60, I lose 25 kilograms. What's the probability to decrease? How much the CHD is going to be decreased? And the answer is that it's going to be decreased to 50%. However, because I take medication, and this is a spelling mistake here, then I have a risk of suffering problems with medication. So if I have a similar model trained for that risk, okay, I can now take all these percentages and make a decision based on those to treat or not to treat. The beauty of this approach is that the decision model could be another model that I also trained, okay? And
in
now,
this case, you have as a result, I see the green...
treat, and the orange do not treat. And if I treat, the risk is 75%. If I don't treat, the risk is 70%. The reason is that I have this high risk here.
You have added the element of the medication risk.
The decision model here did a very simple decision. Okay, it said that the risk is the maximum of the two risks. Okay.
Yeah, in fact, because you are, as you say in the slide, you are combining your model risk with the medication risk model.
Exactly. So this could be a very simple inequality, or it could be a model that I train that is suitable for making those decisions. Any way you see it, it leads to a decision and assigns some numbers. And you can trace back to see that the risk is 75% because it corresponds to this. And the risk is 70% because it corresponds to that. And this reduced risk actually does not show up because it's hidden by this risk. So now the doctors can understand why this is the case.